So how you can make a card glass effect in Figma. So this is gonna be my background. Let me just do it like this, and we want to add a new shape. So press R like rectangle and make a shape here, and you can change dimensions, for example 640 and 400, and it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna move it here so it's gonna overlay these shapes. Let's add the corner radius. You can grab here and swipe it, and for example 35. Now you want to change the color of that. Make sure it's selected, go to fill, change the color, and select the second option, gradient, and make sure both colors are white like this. Select the top one and change the transparency to 40. Select the bottom one and change the transparency to 10. And now we have this effect. You can rotate it a little bit. And now we want to add an effect. So go to effects on the right, click on plus, and we're gonna select here and change it to background blur. Now click effect settings and change the blur. You can increase it like you want, for example 30. Now we're gonna add some strokes, so here's the stroke option, click the plus, and also we want to choose the gradient option, and I want to rotate it a little bit and change the bottom color to this. I'm gonna color pick it, and this color can be white, or you can change it to these colors or your background or like you want. You can also add here multiple colors and change it a little bit so it's not in one color. All the colors are different across the borderline. Now we want to add drop shadow, so select your card, go to effects and click plus, and here should be drop shadow. We're gonna reduce to 20%, increase the blur to 20, and you can reduce the spread a little bit if you want to, but it's not necessary. -2. So this is our drop shadow, and this is our glass card. We can add here the text, change the font on the right, but this one is up to you how you want to customize it. Make sure to change the color. Also make sure to reduce the opacity of the text like this, and this is our glass card effect. And I've seen a little tip how you can increase the quality of that. You can go to plugins and search for noise. So this is it, noise texture. Click it and click on run. Here choose the density, and also make sure to select the white color like this, and then click the plus. So I'm gonna close this. Now I'm gonna fit it to my card, and now reduce the opacity. This is without it, and if we increase it a little bit, there is a frost effect on our card like this. Make sure to move your text over that. And this is our glass effect card in Figma. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and see you next time.